So this right here is my 2014 Mustang GT, and today we're going to be starting the process of taking apart the top end of the motor because this motor sounds very hurt.
Alrighty, so the first thing we're going to do is move the car up underneath the carport so we can get started working on it and get this motor torn apart. Start pushing. Ugh! Are you pushing, dude?
I'm trying not to crease my shit.
Oh my god. Alright, hold right there. Hold right there. Ready? We'll be back after this short message from our sponsors. Alrighty, so after about 20 minutes and stealing our cameraman to assist us with pushing this, we finally got the car fully pushed up. So now we're gonna go ahead and just start tearing apart the top end of the motor and seeing if we see anything that's wrong.
So this car right here is equipped with a 5-liter Coyote motor. Now we're going to be taking apart pretty much everything you see here, from the intake manifold to the cold air intake to the strut tower brace to the injectors to the coil packs to the spark plugs. We're tearing this entire thing down today. So first we're going to go ahead and get the strut tower brace off. So there's going to be 4 bolts up on the top here. God, that thing's on there. Oh boy, there we go. I'm going to go ahead and put these bolts right back on so we don't lose them. So now we're just going to pop off these clips here. And we're gonna go ahead and get this intake out of the way. I'm gonna loosen this up right here because I don't feel like taking out the entire intake yet. There we go. We'll expertly catalog this over here. See, this thing's been on there for a while. Jesus. We're just gonna go ahead and take out the battery real quick. Just now realizing I forgot to, before taking out the battery, pulling the fuse for the fuel so we can drain the car's fuel system. Well, at least what's in the lines, because now when I go to take the line out, it's gonna be full of fuel. Full of fuel.
So,
fun.
So how are we gonna drain it?
We're not. We're gonna let it pour. And we're gonna hope for the best. What's that? We're definitely gonna clean some of this trim pieces up because this shit's dirty.
There's the cap.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap. What was the cap?
Yeah, I saw it fall.
Powered by Ford, baby. So, went ahead and got a bunch of rags here. We'll layer them up just so if any fuel does come out, hopefully we can catch it. Oh, there we go. Oh, 93 octane. That smells delicious. So right now we're just loosening up the stock fuel rails. Then I just gotta disconnect the fuel injectors themselves. And we'll go ahead and get the fuel lines all up and out of here. And there's 2. Those are in there, dude. Holy shit. 2, 3, 4. Now we just have to do the other side. Ah, there we go. Oh. On the finger work here, ladies. Get some gloves on, get these fuel injectors and the whole fuel rail assembly all out of here. 10 years they've been in here. 10 years these injectors have been in here. And they don't want to come out now, but they're gonna. I'm about to start fucking yanking, bro.
You could take the clips off.
No, because then the fuel's gonna come out. When you keep the injectors in, the fuel stays in. This hurts so bad.
Yeah, normally I'd like to kneel up on this.
We're master Ford techs right here. This is bullshit.
Do you have a pry bar?
For what? Fuck this. We're just gonna take the whole intake off with it on there.
Are you fucking stupid? It's not gonna come out.
There we go. Oh, there's like a rat's nest in there. There's a dead mouse.
Is there actually?
Yeah. Yeah, it's oil. That's caked up oil.
Looks like we're taking the heads off and we're doing a deep clean on the heads.
Oh boy.
Brake clean the fuck out them bitches. Yippee! Yo, how mad would you be if I just did a little...
Wait, hold on. Is that the rat?
Ah, hey, you're a rat!
Yeah, dude, but now look at your car.
Oh my god, yeah.
Dude, why are you blowing it at me, fuck?
Yo, we're gonna need to do a bath. We're gonna have to push it to the car wash.
Alright, go get me a shop towel.
And brake clean.
Yeah. We're gonna try and clean up the heads a little bit.
I get bitches for real. Actually, that's a lie. I tend to lie. Wait, hold up. Did we put your thing upside down?
Shut up, Mark. Mark, you're adopted.
I am thick. Thank you very much.
Fuck the 10 mil. No.
I have a magnet thingy in my car.
No, Daddy, I'm doing my fingers.
You're good with your fingers?
Yeah, that's
I'm doing that one.
Drop the 8 mil. Wet sheets. It's not 10 mil, so I know where it is. If it was a 10 mil, we would have lost it completely. But we're gonna go ahead and get all these coil packs out here. We're gonna try and get the spark plugs out, just see how they look, see how bad any of them are. They're only not even 2 years old, so hopefully they're not that bad. But by the looks of things, this thing's really beat. Alrighty, so now that I got all the bolts out of all the coil packs, we're just gonna go ahead and pull these, and then we're gonna go ahead and pull the spark plugs, check those out, and then one of our buddies is gonna bring over a scope so we can scope the cylinder and see if there's any damage. So there's 1, 2, 3. Number 4. There's no oil on them. They look pretty clean. More than likely, I'd have to guess these are the original ones that came on the car in 2014. So these are, unless they were swapped out, but I doubt it. So they might be like 10 years old. So we pulled cylinder 1s. I did put in NGK spark plugs here. This is toasted. The gap looks completely off. I have to double check. The tip even looks like it's almost completely blown off. We'll go ahead and get this up a side by side with our brand new 4 performance ones we have, and then we'll go ahead and see if these look better or worse. But that one was like seized up. It was bad. Look at the gunk on that thing.
Jesus Christ, dude.
That's 2 years old. That's cylinder 2. Oh my, it's like sticky almost. All right, let's keep them in order. Oh my God, they keep getting worse. There's oil on this one. Yeah, that's oil. That's a lot of oil. Yeah, this one's caked with oil on there. Jesus. It's not looking up. Not looking up for this motor. Oh my God. Oh. This is the cylinder I was worried about, to be honest. Yeah, jeez. There's just so much gunk on there. And oil. Oil galore. Alright. Let's get looking at the other side now.
Get a 2-step kit.
Get it.
It'd be fun, they said.
Blow your motor up, they say.
Blow your motor up, they said. It'd be fun to rebuild, they said.
Buy the 5.2, they said.
Put a 5.2 in it. It'd fit. It probably would, honestly.
It's a bored out 5 though, my guy.
I know, but like,
It's just a GT350 motor.
Yep.
Or GT500 motor.
they look bigger though.
They don't. It's the same size. These heads will fit on it. Yeah.
I thought they were bigger.
No, these heads fit on right away. Modular motors, baby. They're so like sticky.
Gabagoo, motherfucker.
Alright, so as you guys can see, we pretty much got this thing almost fully teared down. In the next episode, we're going to go ahead and scope out these cylinders to see how much damage is actually in there.